guys, again welcome back to my channel City. So I'm back with a new video and it's regarding the listening and reading answers for today's IELTS test, that also evening slot. Okay, that is 5th December 2020 real IELTS test, listening and reading answers for evening slot. Okay, so I got so many messages from students to update this video, that's why. So first we'll start off with the listening module for both academic and general. So you can check out the answers along with me. So the first one is 67 kings, second one north, third one automatic, fourth one Sufcliffe, that is Sufcliffe. Fifth one night, sixth one weather, seventh one license, 8, 50, 9, 30, 10 diary, 11 B, that is indoor and outdoor activity, 12th one B sports equipment, 13 A accompany to local market, 14 B kept game tickets, 15 A city center, 16B large garden, 17C service of cook, 18D swimming pool, 19A outdoor dining facility, 20E rooftop garden. Then 21C doing a job, then 22B full-time and distance learning, 23B full-time and on campus, 24C equipment for forensic science are expensive, 25A suitable for people live out of city. 26B environmental science is popular course among students. 27B biology, 28E maths, 29C statistics, 30A book allowance, 31 stone, 32 status, 33 paints, 34 storage, 35 gift, 36 face, 37 signal, 38 hunting, 39 storm and 40 ancestors. So these all are the answers. If you find any of these answers as incorrect one, means you can comment that below and you can comment your answers too. Okay, so if you are confident with your answers, means you can comment that below. Okay, so these all are the listening answers. Now we will see regarding the reading answers for both academic and general module. So first we will start off with the academic module reading answers. So here also you can check out the answers. Then if you find anything as incorrect one, means you can comment that below. Okay. So the first one is true, second one true, third one not given, fourth one false, fifth and sixth I didn't get the answer. Then seventh one true, eighth one morning, ninth one options, 10 happier, 11 outsourcing, 12 productivity, 13 walk, then 14 second, 15 4, 16 1, 17 6, 18 5, 19 3 and 29. Then 21A, 22D, 23 unwillingly, 24 I didn't get the answer, 25 sophisticated, 26 swept, 27D, 28C, 29A, 30 also I didn't get the exact answer, 31C, 32 no, 33 not given, 34S, 35 no, 36A, 37D, 37C, 38D, 39B and 40 also D. So these all are the answers for academic reading module for evening section. Okay, now we will see regarding the general module reading answers too. And the students told that the general module reading was little bit easy than the academic reading. Anyway, let's check out the answers. The first one is true, second one not given, third one false, fourth one not given, fifth one true, sixth one true, seventh one true, eighth I didn't get the answer, so you can comment that below. Ninth one B, 10 to 13 also I'm not confirmed with the answers. Actually, 8 to 14 was match the information type of question. Actually, I didn't get the exact answer. That's why I didn't add that. The ninth one is B and 14th one is A. And the remaining one, I don't know. Then 15th one, style. That was fill up type of question. 15th one, style. 16, project. 17, article. 18, equipment. 19, publications. and 20 title. It was the paragraph was related to job application, and the question is fill up type of question. Okay, then 21 product, 22 date, then 23. From 23 itself, it was next paragraph, that is fire brigade. It was also a fill up type of question. 23 is fire officer, 24 materials, 25 foam filled furniture, 26 factory, and 27 also I didn't get the answer. Then from 28 again, it was a match the information type of question. The paragraph was related to tower. So the 28, actually you want to select the options, that means A, B, C, D and all. So here I written the description: 28 idea of tower, 29 similar background, 30 many people involved, 31 construction process, 32 negative effect, 33 number of people visited, 34 foreseen. Okay, then 35 to 37 was multiple choice question, and I didn't get the exact answers. Then 38, 39, and 40, it was also fill up type of question. 38 was sketches, 39 patents, sorry, it was patents, and 40 victors. So these all are the answers. Okay, some of the answers I didn't get the exact answer. That's why I didn't fill it. So if you are confident with your answers, means I already mentioned what was the question category and what was the paragraph heading and all. So if you are remembering the answers, means try to comment that below, and let's have a discussion section. It will be useful for others too. They can also rewind their answers and all. So we already discussed the listening, reading, for both academic and general module for evening slot. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, means please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification. So most of the students are complaining regarding the notification, they are not getting the notification and all. So try to select the all option while selecting the options. Okay, then only you will be notified about all the videos which I am going to upload. So try to keep on watching, stay tuned, and all the very best for your results. So if I get the answers for the morning slot, means I will release by morning. I know that it's almost midnight. Sorry for the late updates and all. So anyway, if I am getting the answers, means I will update by tomorrow morning. Okay, Sunday morning. So that's all. Stay tuned, and thank you so much.